Hi, you are on the channel Facts About Around. Here we tell many interesting and amazing facts about our world. Like and subscribe to the channel and we begin. And today we will talk about elephants, the smartest and biggest animals on the planet. Charles Spencer Chaplin once said about them, "I hate elephants, so strong and so obedient." Interesting observation, isn't it? So let's go. Fact number 1. Elephants never forget. Elephants' memories are legendary. They reportedly have the largest brains of any land mammal and the ability to recall people and watering holes they encountered years ago. This is despite the fact that they lived out most of their lives away from humans and watering holes. Elephants store significant amounts of information passed down through generations of matriarchs. This benefits the herd's survival because it allows the creatures to recall routes to water and food sources across long distances. They are even able to adjust their daily schedule to find ripe fruit at just the right time. When traveling, the elephants are able to navigate long-distance routes to alternative sources of water and food. Fact number 2. Elephants can distinguish languages. Researchers at Amboseli National Park in Kenya played the voices of people speaking 2 different languages back to elephants. One group speaks to the animals while another group doesn't. This shows that the elephants understand human communication in a deep way. Researchers discovered that the voices of young males and females significantly relax the stress of the elephants. On the other hand, the voices of adult males cause them to become defensive and more guarded. When investigating these new sounds, elephants subconsciously group together to create a tighter formation. Asian elephants growing up usually have very limited interactions with other elephants. As a result, they can mimic words in human languages like Korean. This may have become a bond-forming mechanism for the animals as they bonded with humans. Fact number 3. Elephants only eat plants. Elephants are herbivores. They eat fruits, grasses, roots, and tree bark. They use the tusks on either side of their face to forage food. The African forest elephant seems to enjoy salt and will consume soil or other sources of sodium. Elephants can consume up to 136 kilograms of food and drink 113 to 190 liters of water daily. Elephants have a large appetite, so they spend a lot of time eating. Elephants spend most of their days roaming across long distances to find food. Elephants walk for 1 to 4 miles a day in search of food. Fact number 4. Elephants are excellent swimmers. It may come as little surprise to learn that elephants are good swimmers. They are well known for spraying water from their trunk and splashing in the water. Additionally, they like to play in the water and even make other elephants get wet. Elephants have the ability to swim underwater thanks to the buoyancy provided by their large bodies. This allows them to breathe normally while submerged. Additionally, they use their trunk like a snorkel when crossing rivers or lakes. This enables them to paddle at the surface and search for food in the river without getting tired or lost. Fact number 5. Elephants need their elders. All of the information necessary to elephants' survival is passed down by their elders. It's crucial for young elephants to spend time with older family members, particularly the matriarchs, so they can learn all that they'll need to know as adults. The matriarch of the herd carries the knowledge of the elders and shares essential information with the young, including how to respond to a variety of dangers and where to find food and water. Fact number 6. The elephant's nose is an extra arm. The trunk is the name given to the part of an elephant's face that links the upper lip and nose. Their nose contains over 150,000 muscle units, which they use for breathing and smelling. However, they can also use their nose for other purposes. The trunk of an African elephant can be used to pour water into the animal's mouth, groom itself, or communicate. Two finger-like protrusions on the tip of the trunk are useful for grasping small objects. Asian elephants have only one trunk, they use it to hold onto things. They can root up entire trees with their trunks or pull single leaves. Elephants use their trunks as snorkels when they swim in deep waters. Fact number 7. The elephant has a big smart brain. Elephants have the largest brain size among all land-based animals. Their brain weighs up to 6 kilograms and is the biggest of any animal on land. Large brains often correlate to higher intelligence. Elephants exhibit very high learning capabilities and learn much of their behavior through instruction. Fact number 8. Elephants live for about 70 years or more. Young elephants are vulnerable to crocodiles and lions because almost no predators threat them. As a result, the world's largest land mammal has a short life expectancy. Humans are the main predator of the elephant and other large land mammals. In the wild, African elephants can live up to 70 years. However, some captive elephants have lived up to 65 years on average. Some even lived up to 80 years. It's believed that the longest lifespan of an Asian elephant is 86 years. Having said that, the average age for an Asian elephant is between 60 and 70. Fact number 9. Elephants honor their dead. Elephants are highly empathetic and reactive creatures. Their sensitivity to the dead is well known. Even so, their emotional nature stands out in particular. When they come upon the deceased body of an animal or human, they tend to sniff, touch, and examine it. Some even make repeated visits to the body, expressing an interest in assisting the deceased. This is a marked contrast to other animals. Many other species ignore or run away from dead bodies. Elephants will touch the bones of deceased animals for long periods of time. When the Washington Post observed this behavior in Kenya, they stated that a young 10-year-old elephant had gathered tears on her face. This is likely because stress, aggression, and fear cause the secretion of fluid from their temporal glands. Fact number 10. They support those in need. Researchers found that distressed elephants sometimes comforted each other through gestures and sounds. They also found that the intelligent and social nature of elephants causes them to respond to each other when they need help. Fact number 11. Elephants have a slow reproduction rate. Female elephants carry their unborn calves for about 22 months, which is far longer than any mammal carries their young. Asiatic elephants bear one calf in 4 to 5 years, and female African elephants take 3 to 6 years. As soon as they are born, calves can stand. Newborn African elephants weigh about 100 kilograms on average. They feed on their mother's milk until they are about 4 months old. From then on, breastfeeding is an occasional occurrence till they are 3 years old. African elephants become independent at age 8. The males reach sexual maturity by 20 years, but females mature faster and are sexually mature at 11 years. Unfortunately, the length of this video does not allow us to tell you even more facts, so subscribe to our channel to learn even more facts about our interesting world. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.